Hey there! Today we're going to tackle a common problem that iPhone users may encounter. So, here's the deal. You've got an iPhone 8 that you only use occasionally, but every time you go to use it, the battery is dead. Sounds frustrating, right? This issue doesn't seem to happen with any other phone or device you own, making it a bit of a head-scratcher. You've been fully charging your iPhone, turning it off, and stashing it away, but it still ends up with a flat battery when you need it. What's going on here? Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. An iPhone with a healthy battery and functioning circuitry should hold a charge for quite some time, even up to a year if fully charged. However, in your case, it seems like that's not happening. The key here is to maintain the battery at around 50% charge and top it off every 6 months for optimal longevity. If your device isn't holding charge as it should, it might be worth getting it checked out. It could be a battery issue that needs addressing or a more significant problem with the device itself. Apple offers repair services to help you diagnose and fix the issue. In summary, if you're facing a similar issue with your iPhone, don't fret. Follow the tips mentioned earlier, and you should be on your way to resolving the battery problem. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below. Until next time, stay charged and keep those devices running smoothly.